I already went ahead and I added all the buildings, and I added a couple of details as well. So as you can see, there are more boats over here, even a fish and a cruise ship. And I added a couple of fountains, even a waterfall here in the park, and a couple more colors to the different regions of the city. For everyone, this is going to look different. I mean, especially if you're going to make your own city, but keep always in mind that you can always change the things that you want to. I mean, in this case, I've changed the road a bit, or I scaled some buildings, but it really depends. You have to see what works best for you. And I'm going to show you here in the layers panel that I've got everything on separate layers. So when I added the clouds, clouds are here above, the greens are still in their own layer, the different landmarks, they've got their own layer as well. And what we are going to do now is we are going to add some greens. But some greens you probably want to have in front of the landmarks layer, and other greens you want to have behind. So we're going to add another layer. I'm going to place that behind the landmarks. I'm going to call them greens back. For me, it's easier to separate them like that. I'm going to make another artboard here on the side by choosing the artboard tool and drawing them out. Then I'm going to go to the plans that we've made before, copy them, and paste them here on the side. I go to the layers panel just to be sure that they're still located in the right layer. And I'm going to copy the first one and scale it down. This one I'm going to place in front of here, so you can see that it's in front of the building. Now I'm going to take this tree, copy it, and I'm going to place it in the park. As you can see, it's already in front of this building over here. That is something that I don't really want, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to go to the other greens layer and I'm going to paste it over there. So we'll go behind the theater building. Now it's time to fill everything with plants, and you can fill the gardens, you can put some trees across the street, you can place them wherever you want. And again, I cannot stress this enough, but each city is different, so you have to see what works best for you. If you need different elements, you should go ahead and make them. But in my case, I really like to use lots of greens because I feel that the greens really finishes off the city and makes everything work as a whole. But you have to see and look what works best for you.